Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I got this look right here, so stay tuned and I'll show you. So I have my hair in plaits and I've had it in plaits for quite a while now, just over a week, and as you can see, the way that it is, you can literally just wear it as a style as it is, which I have been doing for that past week. I just feel like now it's time to take it out. Some people have it in for longer, it doesn't matter, but it's literally just getting 3 strands and plaiting them and securing it at the end with a headband.
What's going on here? What's going on right now? What is the problem? Tell me your problem. I said a lot, girl. Can't be with mine. Always been on what and I feel. I said the lines up, but not a tough shit. Can't waste any time now. Can't waste any time now. What's going on?
And there's always a plait that I forget.
What's going on right now? What is the problem? Tell me the problem. That's in a lot, girl. Can't be with mine. Always been on one and I feel. Outside of my zone, run out of time.
Feeling for any more, yeah, I think I got them all, but yeah, so this is the curly look. Sometimes when you're just looking for a change or anything like that to switch up your look, all you have to do is just plait them, or you can use the pipe cleaners. And if you haven't seen my video on how I created my curly locks using pipe cleaners, you can check that out. And yeah, I'll be doing some videos on how to style curly locks, so those will be coming soon, so stay tuned for that as well. If you enjoy this video, please do give it a thumbs up. Also, please do subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you again in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.